At the beginning of 2024, I took a look at the Dreame X30 Ultra. At the time, it was one of the best robotic vacuums that you could currently buy. Today, we're taking a look at its successor, the X40 Ultra. While both of these robotic vacuums do share a lot of similarities, the changes that Dreamy has made to the X40 Ultra are significant, and they definitely improve the overall experience. In this video, not only are we going to test out all of the new features of the X40 Ultra, but we're also going to put it through its paces on tile and carpet to see how well those features actually perform. Now, before we dive into the specifics of the X40 Ultra, let's take a look at what comes in the box.
Inside the box, you get a ramp for the base, 2 mop pads, an extra dust bag, a cleaning brush, floor cleaner, some paperwork, a power cord, the robot, and of course the base.
Attaching the mop pads and getting everything set up is super easy since they attach magnetically. Just line them up and you'll feel them snap in. One additional accessory that you can pick up is this tri-cut brush. This thing cuts through hair like butter, and it also comes with replaceable parts, so as things wear over time, you can easily replace them. Installing the tri-cut brush is extremely easy. All you have to do is remove the old roller brush and then pop in the tri-cut brush, make sure everything is aligned, and put the cover back on. Unlike traditional anti-tangle floating roller brushes, this one features little blades in it that helps chop up the hair, and it actually works. We ran our traditional synthetic hair test, and it performed extremely well, with hair only being seen and none being caught around it. The Dreame X40 Ultra is a high-performance robot vacuum with impressive specs. It delivers 12,000 Pascal of powerful suction performance, a significant upgrade from the X30 Ultra's 8,000 Pascal, and far above many of the competitors that average around 5,000 Pascal. This level of suction ensures thorough cleaning, tackling tough messes like ground-in cereal, which my son tends to leave all over my carpet, fine dust, and even sand with ease. It performs exceptionally well on carpets, pulling out dirt and debris from deep within the high-pile rugs that I have in my home, leaving them refreshed and noticeably cleaner than previous models. The X40 Ultra is designed to adapt across different surfaces. It automatically adjusts its suction for hardwood, tile, and various carpet types, ensuring efficient and effective cleaning without getting stuck. Its intelligent cleaning system ensures that power is applied precisely where it's needed for optimal results. The Dreame X40 Ultra takes a big leap forward in corner and edge cleaning, thanks to its upgraded extendable side brushes and mop pads. Compared to the X30 Ultra, these improvements make a noticeable difference in how well it handles those tricky spots where dust loves to hide. The extendable side brush is a game changer. It swings out to reach deep into corners and along edges, then tucks back in when it's done. It's not just a gimmick either. During test, it cleared 98% of debris from edges, which is a huge step up from the X30 Ultra. If you've ever been frustrated by vacuums that just can't get into those tight spaces, this upgrade will definitely make you happy. The mop pad is just as smart. It extends and lifts during cleaning, so it can scrub right up to the baseboards and furniture legs without missing a spot. These upgrades aren't just about looking good on paper, they're practical changes you'll actually notice when your floors are cleaner than ever. But you know what's even cooler is how the X40 Ultra knows how to use these features. It knows when to leave the mop pads at the base station for vacuuming carpets and reattaches them when it's time to mop hard floors. And if it runs into a carpet while mopping, no worries, it lifts the mop automatically so it doesn't soak your rug. All of these little details add up to a vacuum that's not just powerful, but also super smart. Compared to the X30 Ultra, the X40 Ultra is a massive improvement in how it handles corners and edges and everything in between. It's like it was built to fix the frustrations of older models, and it delivers. The Dreame X40 Ultra builds on the strong foundation of the X30 Ultra, which was already a top performer in obstacle avoidance. The X40 Ultra takes it even further with its advanced AI-driven cleaning technology and upgraded hardware, making it one of the most efficient and intelligent robot vacuums available. Equipped with a top-mounted LiDAR sensor that's not to be confused with the incredibly engineered X40 Pro Ultra that can retract in order to fit into tighter spaces. Let me know if you want to see a video on it because the thing looks freaking insane. Anyways, going back to the X40 Ultra, along with the LiDAR sensor, it has a front-facing RGB camera, a structured light system, multiple lasers, and LED lights. The X40 Ultra creates detailed maps and navigates your home with exceptional precision no matter the lighting conditions. Its obstacle avoidance is even better than the X30 Ultra, especially for everyday objects like shoes, cords, and other household items. In test, it was nearly perfect at avoiding obstacles, showing its ability to clean uninterrupted and without collisions. The X40 Ultra also recognizes over 120 different objects, learning and adapting to your home's layout to optimize cleaning routes. This improved adaptability means it's not just smarter than the X30 Ultra, it's more efficient. It can clean a 1,000 square foot area in just 34 minutes, and it uses Clean Genius software to analyze dirt levels and adjust cleaning settings on the fly. Messy areas get extra attention, while cleaner zones are handled more quickly. With these upgrades, the X40 Ultra not only surpasses its predecessor, but sets a new standard for obstacle avoidance and intelligent cleaning. It's a fast, smart, and hassle-free way to keep your home spotless. The Dreame X40 Ultra takes robot vacuum convenience to a whole new level with its self-cleaning base station. Forget about the hassle of constantly emptying dustbins, cleaning mop pads, or dealing with dirty water tanks. This vacuum practically takes care of itself. First, there's the massive 3.2-liter disposable dust bag. The X40 Ultra automatically empties its dustbin into this bag, which can hold up to 75 days worth of debris. This means you can go over 2 months without thinking about emptying it, depending on how often you clean and how dirty your floors are. Then there's the water system. The base station has a 4.5-liter clean water tank and a 4-liter dirty water tank, which allows the X40 Ultra to mop for extended periods without needing refills or emptying. But the real magic is how it handles the mop pads. After mopping, the X40 Ultra returns to the base where its mop pads are washed with hot water heated to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature ensures that bacteria are eliminated, keeping the pads hygienic. Once clean, the base station dries the pads with hot air, preventing mold or mildew from forming. With a battery life of up to 194 minutes on low power, the X40 Ultra can clean large spaces in one session. If it runs out of power mid-clean, it simply recharges and resumes where it left off. This kind of efficiency makes it perfect for keeping your home spotless without constant monitoring. The X40 Ultra isn't just a robot vacuum, it's a fully automated cleaning system. It cleans your home and maintains itself so you can come back to spotless floors every day without lifting a finger. It's not just about cleaning, it's also about making your life easier. Okay, so let's wrap this up. The Dreame X40 Ultra comes with a premium price tag of around $1,400 USD at the time of this video. However, if Dreamy sends over any discounts, I'll be sure to include them in the description as well as the pinned comment along with purchase links. Now with that said, when we reflect on its advanced features and capabilities, the question is whether it's worth the investment. When compared to other robot vacuums, the X40 Ultra offers a unique combination of high-end features, including 12,000 Pascal suction power, advanced obstacle avoidance, automatic dustbin emptying, and mop pad cleaning. These features significantly reduce user involvement, making it one of the most hands-off cleaning devices available. The Dreamy app further enhances its value by allowing precise control, real-time mapping, scheduling, setting up no-go zones, and personalized cleaning recommendations. Its ability to adapt to your home and improve over time adds to its long-term practicality. You can also patrol your home using the onboard camera. The robot can take pictures of obstacles and potential hazards as it encounters them during the cleaning session. It can even take pictures of your pets throughout the day to give you a nice little surprise whenever you check in within the app. You can adjust the level of cleaning, mop extend settings, and decide whether you want the robot to detach the mop pads at the base before vacuuming. I mean, there's even a stain recognition setting. For users who value convenience, time savings, and cutting-edge technology, the X40 Ultra justifies its cost. However, for those who don't require such advanced automation or are working within a budget, there are simpler models that still offer excellent cleaning performance without the additional features. Ultimately, the X40 Ultra is a worthwhile investment for those looking for a top-tier, fully automated cleaning solution. Let me ask you though, what robot vacuum are you currently using and are you interested in upgrading? If so, what do you have your eyes on? Let me know in the comments below. Outside of that, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider giving this video a like, subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.